Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're always welcome here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this wig, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how I put it on to make it look like it's my hair. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited because I'm super excited. Look at me. Haha. Okay, so I have my thread, I have my needle, and I got my mannequin, and I got the hair. So I basically have everything I need to make this wig. I'm securing my wig cap to my mannequin head so that when I'm sewing the tracks on, it doesn't move. I'm sewing the two tracks together just because I like to do that before I start. But I'm basically just starting to sew the first track on, and it is, I think, 28 inches. Yes, it's 28 inches. It's super long, and this hair is kind of heavy. It sits like it's a lot of hair to carry around. I'm going to tell you this right now, but it's so wonderful. It looks so natural and so soft. Um, this hair does shed a little bit. It's a little frustrating at times, but if you don't touch it, it's not going to shed. Basically, don't touch it and it'll be fine. But if you try to touch it, you run your fingers through it, anything like that, it will shed, okay? This hair is from Organique. It's the Mastermix. I got it for $25. I got it in the inches 28, 26, and 24. I don't know why I started backwards, but yeah. Um, yeah, I got it in 1B. I wish I got it a little bit darker because um, my hair does look a little bit darker. But that's okay because I still look fantastic. So I'm basically just, I was making this wig for a couple of days, you guys. I was making it for multiple days. Not because it was hard or it should have took that long. I was just very busy not doing anything. So I didn't have time to make it. But when I finished, I was completely in love with it. I took so many cute pictures. I might drop them. Ooh, I'm going to show you guys the pictures. But yeah, I'm just sewing and sewing and sewing. I wasn't really trying to make it super perfect or anything. I was kind of like in a hurry at this point. Like I said, I had a lot of nothing to do. So it's hard to really like focus. Y'all know what I mean. Also, my mannequin has a lipstick because she's not just a mannequin head, she's my friend. And like with anything I do, I like to make sure like anything I use, like my needle is my friend, like the wig cap, my camera is my best friend. You know, I like to make sure that my belongings feel like they are my friends and like they're appreciated, just because like I want them to cooperate with me. So I'm just showing you guys how I put the wig on now. I went ahead and I put my wig cap on, and I am undoing the front of my hair. I had just braided it together. Well, not together, but I braided it down, and I'm just undoing it right now. And then I go ahead and I put the wig on. I was having a little bit of a hard time. And then I flipped it. I did clip the two clips I had on the side. So I went ahead and I grabbed my contour and my toothbrush that I don't use on my teeth to lay my baby edges down. My baby edges, my baby hair down. Ugh, a mess. If you guys don't have to do this. I just like to lay my edges. But yep, and that's it. And then I finger brushed it with the wig, and it just blended together. It was so cute. I should have fixed the top. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more. And yeah, Like,